Hello everyone, this is your Bandini Sharma. Welcome back to my channel BMB tutorial. So in last session we have discussed question number 6 and question number 7 of exercise 2.5, right? And in today's session we are going to discuss next further question of same exercise 2.5. Okay, so let's start it. Question number 8 is factorize each of the following. So in this question you have to factorize the given polynomial that is in expanded form. Okay, so here whatever the parts you have given, they are in their expanded form. Okay, so by using suitable identity you have to factorize them. Okay, so first part is 8ac plus bq plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Okay, so this is the expanded form of the expression. Okay, so first we will do here 8a cube, and 8 is the cube of 2, so we can write it as 2a whole cube. Okay, because 2 cube is what? 8, and cube of a is a cube. Okay, now to this b we can write as cube of b. Okay, and 12a square b. Okay, so as you can see here, a cube, b cube, a square, b, ab square comes in identity, that is sixth identity. Okay, so we have to use sixth number identity, means a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, so same. So first we have to make it in standard form so that we can use here directly the identity. Okay, so we can write this 12a square b as 3 into 2a whole square into b. Okay, and to this 6 we can write 3 into 2a into b square. Okay, so by using identity, which one? Sixth number identity, that is x cube. Here the given expression in variable a and b, so we will write here identity in x y variable. Okay, so x plus y whole cube is x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3x y square. Okay, now you can see here the given expression that we have to factorize is in this form, expanded form. So on comparing these two sides, means that you have given and this expanded form identity, so on comparing it, we are getting here x as 2a, okay, and y as b, and 3x square. See here, so x 3 into x square into y. Okay, so x is 2a and y is v. So we can write this as this expanded form we have given, so we can equate this. Okay, so x is here 2a and y as v. Okay, so the given expression, that is 8a cube plus v cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square as equals to x plus y whole cube. So x is here 2a and y is here b, so 2a plus b whole cube. Okay, okay, so now this expression has been factorized. Here the power is 3, so you can write this as 2a plus b into 2a plus v into 2a plus b. Okay, here the power is 3, so 3 times you can write this expression. Okay, so the given expression you have factorized in their 3 factors. तो आपको इन क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है, सबसे पहले चेक करना है कि हमें अगर आइडेंटिटी यूज़ करनी है तो आइडेंटिटी का कौन सा राइट हैंड साइड पार्ट दे रखा है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पार्ट। तो यहाँ पर आपको देखते पता चल जा रहा है ए क्यू बी क्यू ए स्क्वायर बी सिक्स ए बी स्क्वायर, और सारे ही टर्म्स क्या हैं, पॉजिटिव है। तो ये इस टाइप के टर्म्स किस में यूज होते हैं, कौन सी आइडेंटिटी, आइडेंटिटी नंबर 6 में, एक्स क्यूब वाई क्यूब 3x स्क्वायर वाई प्लस 3x वाई स्क्वायर। ओके, तो इसका मतलब ये एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म आइडेंटिटी का दे रखा था, तो इसका ही यूज़ हमें करना है। हमने कंपेयर किया, x और y की वैल्यू हमें पता चल गई, उसके बाद हमें x प्लस वाई होल क्यूब में x y की वैल्यू को सिर्फ पुट करना है। ठीक है, तो आपका आंसर क्या आ रहा है, 2a प्लस बी होल क्यूब। सो एज यू हैव टू डू फैक्टराइजेशन, ओके, इट मीन्स यू हैव टू एक्सप्रेस दिस एक्सप्रेशन इन form of their product of factors. Okay, so 2a plus b into 2a plus b, 2a plus b. So these three are factors. Now second part is 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Okay, so here the negative terms are present. Okay, and the terms a cube b cube a square b a b square. Okay, negative terms and a cube b cube, these terms comes in which identity, identity number 7th. Okay, so first we will write this 8a cube, means we can write 8a cube as 2a whole cube. Cube of 2 is 8 and a cube. Okay, minus b cube minus 3 into a square. Okay, so you can write 2a whole square. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12, a square into b. Okay, plus 3 into 2a into b square. Okay, by using identity number 7th, that is x minus y cube is x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Okay, so this expanded form you have given. Okay, so we can write this expression, that is 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6a b square as what, x minus y cube. So, okay, so x is here what, 2a and y is v, so 2a minus y whole cube, or you can write this expression in the product of their factors. So 2a minus b into 2a minus b into 2a minus b. Here the power is 3. So you can repeat this expression 3 times. Okay, so you have factorized the given expression in the product of their factors. Now third part is 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square. Okay, तो इस क्वेश्चन को देखकर आपको पता नहीं चल रहा है कि कौन सी आइडेंटिटी हम यूज़ करें। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले देखिए यहाँ पर हाईएस्ट पावर क्या है, क्यूब है, क्यूब का इन्वॉल्वमेंट है। एक चीज़ यहाँ से क्लियर हो जानी चाहिए कि कौन सी आइडेंटिटी, और यहाँ वेरिएबल क्या है आपका, एक ही है यूज़ हो रहा है। ठीक है, वेरिएबल एक ही है, लेकिन अभी हम यहाँ पर नंबर्स जो दे रखे हैं उनको पहले क्यूब फॉर्म में लिखेंगे। ठीक है, तो उसके बाद हम डिसाइड करेंगे कि कौन सी आइडेंटिटी। नाउ सी 27 इज़ द क्यूब ऑफ 3, सो वी कैन राइट इट एज 3 क्यूब. Okay, minus 125 is the cube of 5, so we can write this 125a cube as 5a whole cube. Okay, minus 3 into 3 square into this 5a. Now we will check here, 3 3s are 9, okay, and 9 3s are 27 and 27 5s are 135. Okay, now plus 3 into 3 into okay 5a square. So 3 3s are 9, okay, and 5 5s are 25. 25 9s are 225. Okay, so now you can see here which identity we can use here. The same identity that we have used in second part, means x minus y whole cube is x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Okay, so using this identity we can write this expression as 3 minus 5a whole cube. Okay, by using identity x minus y whole cube, okay, that is equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Okay, so x is here what? X is 3 and y is 5a. So you have given this expanded form, so you can write this as x minus y whole cube. So x is here 3 and y is 5a. Okay, so you have to express this as the product of its factors. So we can write this 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a. Okay, now fourth part is 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108ab square. Okay, so while looking the terms here, we can identify here the identity which we have to use. Okay, so see here, a cube minus b cube minus a square b plus ab square. So this type of terms includes in identity number 7, that is x minus y whole cube is what? X cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Okay, so first we will write this 64. 64 is cube of 4. 4 4 ja 16, 4 ja 64. So we can write this term as 4a whole cube. Okay, and 27. So 3b whole cube is 27b cube minus, now this is what? X and this is y. Okay, so the next term of the identity is 3x square y. Okay, so we have to make this as 3 into 3x square. So x is here what? 4a. So 3x square into y. Y is 3b. Okay, now you can check. 4 4 ja 16 and 16 9 ja 3 3 ja 9, 16 9 ja 144. Okay, so 144a square b, the same term we are getting here. Now 3 into a is what? Means x is 4a into y square and y is 3b whole square. Okay, now by using identity we can write this expanded form as x minus y whole cube. X is here 4a minus y is here 3b. So 4a minus 3b whole cube. By using identity x minus y whole cube, that is x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Okay, so on comparing we are getting here x as 4a and y as 3b. Okay, so this side we have given as question. Okay, so we can write this side x minus y whole cube. So same we have done here. Okay. Now fifth part of this question is 27p cube minus 1 upon 216 minus 9 upon 2 p square plus 1 upon 4 p. Okay, so see here 27 p cube. 27 p cube we can write as 3 p whole cube, because 3 cube is what? 27. 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27. Okay, now 216 is the cube of 6. Okay, so we can write this 1 upon 6 as whole cube. Okay, cube of 1 is 1 and cube of 6 is 216. So we can write this 1 upon 216 as 1 upon 6 whole cube. Okay, now minus 3 into, now see, this expression now become as a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square. Okay, so 3a square b means 3 into a is what here? 3p square into b, that is 1 upon 6. Now first we will check here. 3 2 ja, 3 is in numerator and 6 is in denominator, so they will be cancel out the common part. Okay, so 3 2 ja, and here the square of 3 9, so 9 upon 2 the term we are getting. Okay, and p square. Okay, so plus 3 into ab square is what? 3p, and b square means b is 1 upon 6 whole square. Okay, now see here the square of 6 means 36, so we can cancel by 3 into 3 9, so 9 4 ja 36, so we are left with 1 upon 4 this p. Okay, now this is in the form of a cube minus b cube minus 3 into a square into b plus 3 into a into b square. Okay, so it means a is here 3p minus b is 1 upon 6 whole cube. Okay, by using identity a minus b whole cube. Okay, here the expression in p variable, so we can write the identity in a b variables or x y variable. Okay, so a minus b cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, and a is here on comparing, a is 3p and b is 1 upon 6. So we can write this expanded form as a minus b whole cube. Same we have done here. So a is 3p minus b, that is 1 upon 6 whole cube. Okay, and we can write this whole cube as 3p minus 1 upon 6 into 3p minus 1 upon 6 into 3p minus 1 upon 6. Means we have expressed this expression as the product of their factors. It means you have factorized this expression. Okay, so this was the question number 8. Now come to the question number 9. Now the question number 9 is verify x cube. The first part is x cube plus y cube is equals to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, this type of identity we have understood, that was for 3 variables, means x cube minus plus y cube plus z cube. Okay, that is equals to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx and plus 3xyz. This is our identity number 8, right? So here there are 3 variables, but in this there are 2 variables. Okay, so we have to verify that this left hand side expression is equals to right hand side expression. Okay, so here we will use the given identity which we have learned, okay, to show this. So the identity involving x cube y cube, that is our identity number 6, what, x plus y whole cube is what, x cube plus y cube plus 3xy in bracket x plus y. Okay, this is our identity number 6, right? Now see this part we have to look out for. Okay, so now from this x cube plus y cube, that will equals to, if I take this part in this side, left hand side, okay, so we are left with only x cube plus y cube, that we have written here. Okay, so x plus y whole cube minus, if we take this term in this side, so it will be of minus, so minus 3xy in bracket x plus y. Okay, now see here there are 2 terms, one is this and another is this, in which x plus y is common, so we will take it out as common, so x plus y, and in bracket we are left with x plus y, 1 x plus y you have taken out, so it means here the power will be 2. Okay, and minus 3xy, that is left here after taking this as common. Okay, so now see x plus y, this is identity x plus y whole square is what, x square plus y square plus 2xy minus 3xy. Okay, so now we can write it as x plus y, x square plus y square, and 2xy minus 3xy means minus 1xy. Okay, the same we have to show here, verify. We have to check this left hand side equals to this right hand side. Okay, so by taking this left hand side we have proved this is equals to x plus y into x square plus y square minus xy, that only we have to show here. Okay, so by using identity number 6 हमने क्या किया, आइडेंटिटी का यूज़ करते हुए इस चीज़ को वेरीफाई किया है, मतलब प्रूव किया है कि एक्स क्यूब प्लस वाई क्यूब इज ऑलवेज इक्वल्स टू एक्स प्लस वाई इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स वाई. Okay, so we know that x plus y whole cube involves x cube plus y cube. Okay, so we can take this x cube plus y cube. Okay, so इसके बाद हमें क्या, ये टर्म को इस साइड ले जाना है, तो ये माइनस का हो जाएगा. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पर देखिए x प्लस वाई होल क्यूब और यहाँ पर x प्लस वाई, तो इस टर्म को हम क्या है कॉमन ले सकते हैं. तो हमारे पास क्या बचा इन ब्रैकेट x प्लस वाई whole square minus this 3xy. Okay, after opening this bracket by using identity x plus y whole square is x square plus y square plus 2xy and minus this 3xy. Okay, so 2xy minus 3xy will be minus xy. The same we have to. Now you can use this as identity. Okay, that x cube plus y cube is equals to x plus y into x square plus y square minus xy. Now coming to the second part, that is x cube minus, we have to verify that x cube minus y cube is equals to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, so as we have done in first part using identity number what 6th, here the sign is minus x cube minus y cube, and these two terms involved in identity number 7, that is, so using identity 7th, that is x minus y whole cube is equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3x y in bracket x minus y. Okay, so x cube minus y cube we can write here by using this identity. X cube minus this y cube will equals to, इस चीज़ को हमें रखना है तो इस चीज़ को, इस टर्म को हमें इस साइड लाना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पर नेगेटिव का है, इक्वल के इस साइड क्या ट्रांसपोज होकर प्लस का हो जाएगा. तो यहाँ पर दूसरी साइड हमें क्या लेना है, x माइनस वाई होल क्यूब एंड दिस प्लस 3xy इन ब्रैकेट x माइनस वाई. ओके, हम आइडेंटिटी का ही यूज़ कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, यहाँ पर देखिए x क्यूब माइनस वाई क्यूब इस आइडेंटिटी में यूज़ होता है और इसी को हमें इस एक्सप्रेशन के इक्वल करना है. तो हम क्या लेकर चल रहे हैं, इसको देखिए x माइनस वाई होल क्यूब, इस टर्म को हम यहाँ ले आए 3xy x minus y. Okay, now see here also there are two terms, one and the second is this, and in which x minus y, this term is common, so we will take it out as common part. So in bracket we are left with x minus y whole square. Okay, and this plus 3xy. क्या किया, ये टर्म देख रहे हैं आप, दो टर्म्स हैं, उनमें x माइनस वाई कॉमन है तो उसको हमने ब्रैकेट के बाहर ले लिया. यहाँ पर क्यूब था 3, ठीक है, तो एक बाहर लेने पर हमारे पास क्या बच रहा है, स्क्वायर. ओके, एंड प्लस ये तो ब्रैकेट के बाहर कॉमन s आ गया है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर क्या बचेगा 3xy. अब देखिए x माइनस वाई इन ब्रैकेट x माइनस वाई होल स्क्वायर, आइडेंटिटी है क्या होती है, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर माइनस 2xy. ओके, एंड दिस प्लस 3xy. सो x माइनस वाई इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर माइनस 2xy प्लस 3xy. ओके, सो इट विल बी 1xy. ओके, नाउ we have done equal x cube minus y cube as x minus y into x square plus y square plus xy. That is only we have to show here. Check x cube minus y cube, that is equals to x minus y, x square plus y square plus xy, x square plus xy plus y square. Addition है, commutative हो सकता है, can change its position. ओके, तो सेम यहाँ पर आपको दे रखा है. तो इस तरीके से हमें क्या वेरीफाई करना था कि x क्यूब माइनस वाई क्यूब ऑलवेज इक्वल्स टू x माइनस वाई इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स वाई प्लस वाई स्क्वायर. अब इस आइडेंटिटी को भी आपको याद रखना है कि अगर दो वेरिएबल के लिए सेपरेट क्यूब की कोई आइडेंटिटी यूज़ करनी है तो ये आइडेंटिटी आपको यूज़ करनी है. ठीक है, 8th नंबर की जो आइडेंटिटी है सेम आइडेंटिटी है, बट that is for 3 variables. Okay, but this is for 2 variables. Now question number 10 is factorize each of the following. Okay, तो इस क्वेश्चन में भी आपको क्या फैक्टराइजेशन करना है, मतलब गिवन एक्सप्रेशन को उसके फैक्टर फॉर्म में लिखना है, मीन्स फैक्टर्स के प्रोडक्ट के फॉर्म में लिखना है. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट पार्ट है हमारा 27y क्यूब प्लस 125z क्यूब. ओके, सो वी कैन राइट दिस एज 27 is cube of 3. So if we want to write this expression as whole cube, so we will write it as 3y whole cube. Okay, and plus 125 is the cube of 5, so we can write this term as 5z whole cube. Okay, now see a cube plus b cube is what? In last question number 9th, we have proved that, we have verified that x cube plus y cube Okay, here the variables and y and z, so we will take here as a and b, okay, to differentiate the question and identity. So a cube plus b cube is always equals to a plus b into a square plus b square minus a into b. Okay, so we have to use this identity. So 27 by cube plus 125 z cube, we can write it as 3y whole cube plus 5z whole cube, that is equals to a plus b. So a यहाँ पर हमारा क्या हो जाएगा 3y एंड ये क्या हो जाएगा हमारा a, और b क्या हो जाएगा हमारा 5z. ओके, सो वी कैन राइट 3y plus 5z into square of 3y plus square of 5z minus x a into b means 3y into 5z. Okay, now 3y plus this 5z will be as it is, and in bracket square of 3 is 9, so 9y square plus square of 5 25, so 25z square minus 3 5s are 15 y into z by z. Okay, so while using this identity we have expressed this expression as the product of its two factors. Okay, so 3y plus 5z into 9y square plus 25z square minus 15yz. So this is our answer. Now coming to the second part, that is 64 m cube minus 343 n cube. Okay, so here we know that 64 is the cube of 4 and 343 is the cube of 7. Okay, so we can write this expression as their whole cube. So 4m whole cube minus 7n whole cube. Now this becomes in the identity form, that is a cube minus b cube. So the a cube minus b cube is what? A minus b into a square plus b square plus a into b. The same we have proved in previous question number 9. A cube minus b cube is always equals to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Okay, so on comparing this, we are getting a is 4m and b as 7n. Okay, so we can write this 64 m cube minus 343 n cube as a minus b means 4m minus 7n into a square means 4m whole square plus b square means 7n square plus a into b means 4m into 7n. Okay, so 4m minus 7n, and in this bracket square of 4 is 16, so 16m square plus square of 7 means 49 n square. Okay, plus 4 into 7, 4 7 ja 28, so 28 into m n. Okay, so these are two factors of this expression. Okay, so you have expressed this expression in the product of their factors. Okay, so that's all for today's session, in which we have discussed question number 8, 9 and 10. Okay, if you have any query, doubt related to these questions, please ask me on comment section. Okay, and in my next upcoming session we are going to discuss next further question of the same exercise. Till then, keep watching my channel. Thank you.